Hi guys, I am Pranita Pandit and I am again live in front of you on Amazon Live. So, I'm just gonna wait for a few minutes because I just want to see ki, how many people are joining in and then we start. So, I can see a few numbers going up there. So, hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and I'm on Amazon Live, and today I am going to be talking about something which is really exciting to me. कल हमने बात करी थी about skin care because I told you guys that if you talk about beauty, I think skin is prime. It's the most important thing that you should take care of, and I spoke about a lot of products that you can use on your face to hydrate your skin, to remove those fine lines and all of that. और आज हम बात करने वाले हैं about body care products. So skin is not only the face, it's also the body. So yeah, I am just gonna start in I don't want all you guys to miss out, so just hang with me for like 30 seconds more, and then I'm gonna start featuring my favorite body care products on Amazon Live जो मैंने सारा Amazon से order किया है, use किया है for a long period of time. So I exactly know what it is, how it works, what is the plus, what is the minus, and price range, सब्सक्रिप्शन, हम सब चीज़ों के बारे में बात करेंगे. सो दिस वन इज़ गोइंग टू बी एक्साइटिंग लाइव. सो या हाई या सो ऑल्सो प्लीज़ एंगेज योर सेल्फ, आस्क मी लॉट्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस क्योंकि मैं आपकी सारी क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे देख सकती हूँ एंड आई वुड लव टू आंसर ईच वन ऑफ देम. I can see Sudhanshu. So hi Sudhanshu, and there is somebody who's written great, and yeah, here I am. So today we are going to be talking about body care products, which will make your skin smooth and silky and make you glow up and give you that confidence that you need. So a lot of times हम हमारी बॉडी में भी बहुत सेम इश्यूज होते हैं जो हमारे फेस के साथ होते हैं, जैसे कि ड्राई पैचेस, रैश, एंड वी हैव अ सेंसिटिव स्किन. सो इट्स ऑल ऑफ दैट मिक्सड अप. तो चलिए हम सबसे पहला प्रोडक्ट जो मैं आपके लिए फीचर करने वाली हूँ, which I'm going to click here and you can check it out, is Aveeno. This is a moisturizer that is my go-to product. Here you guys see. This is my daily essential moisturizer which I use all the time, like sometimes thrice a day also. It's not required to be used thrice a day, but because my skin is extremely dry and sensitive, at the same time I love the feeling, I love the texture, so I kind of use this product a lot. Now why Aveeno? Firstly, it's a really good brand to go with. I did a lot of research. बहुत सारे body moisturizers don't work well with my skin. My skin is extremely dry and sensitive, so I have to be very sure of what I'm putting, because like I told you, I get allergy like this. So this is the texture. इसको ऐसे unlock करो and I will tell you my experience also with it. Also guys, you can check out, it is on 11% off. So see here. This, it has been like magic for me. Waiting for your deets. Yeah, so this is a magic product for me. It makes my skin super soft, supple, hydrates my skin to the fullest. Like I have never ever found a moisturizer that hydrates this level. Of course there are other moisturizers also. We will do like a run of moisturizers maybe in a later live where I will talk about other moisturizers as well, but this one is my go-to product, which is Aveeno. And इसके साथ एक बहुत स्पेशल चीज़ है, वो ये है कि मैं इसे usually Amazon से order करती हूँ, and initially I used to order it on like a monthly basis, and my husband also loves it, so he also uses it. So of course we exhaust a bottle in a month. Then I realized that instead of just ordering it at full price, वैसे तो इस पे डिस्काउंट है in the market, if you go you'll get for 1,000 rupees easily from any chemist or anything. Here, check out the stars, read the reviews. There are like some 4,128 people who have reviewed this product, and it has a 4.5 star, which is like a good enough number for me to believe कि ये product authentic है, genuine है, एंड ये प्रोडक्ट मैं सब्सक्रिप्शन पे बाय करती हूँ, सो आई गेट एडिशनल 5% off. So yeah, you want me to apply this? I applied all over my body, so of course I'm not going to start applying it. So I just applied it on my hands, and there you go. You see, it's just, it's gone. Like I told you guys that I like products which, you know, absorb really fast and keeps it. So 24 hydration is a joke for this product. So this is my first product and I am totally in love with it. Plus I get it on subscription, so I get an additional 5% off. So kind of my monthly cart has this product, and I end up saving a lot of money apart from that 10-11% discount that I already get. Like 150 bucks I'm saving straight away, but I end up saving a little more than that because I know that I'm going to be ordering this product on a regular basis. So this is my first product. Now body care also has a lot of other aspects to look into, especially for people like me who, you know, who hate cellulite. I work out and I like to keep my skin firm and tight, and I like that tightness and I don't like that cellulite. Sometimes, you know, you do this and can see those little cellulite ke patches. So related to that is my second product, and I'm gonna click here and you guys can check it out too. This product is my oil, body oil, VLCC ka Shape Up Slimming Oil. So this is another product that I really recommend to people, who are into fitness or regularly also new moms. You know, for them it's a great product because, like, we all like to massage. So I use the VLCC Shape Up Massage Oil, or ye bhi, it really works great. Like I can just see somebody writing it really works great. It does, guys. It has 1,880 reviews here. It is on a 34% discount, which is a fabulous discount in my reality. Or this is, again, it is on my cart, like on and off, and I keep using this product. Isme, you know, I had done a little bit of research about this product and I realized that they have these chemicals, not exactly chemicals, they have this mint oil in it, which actually causes that your skin to become firm and tight, and you can feel a difference if you massage your body every day with this. Now there are sometimes I don't want to use oil, so there is another product which is again the product that I really recommend and love, which is similar to this, which is a Shape Up gel actually. So this is a gel format, and like this is oily, so I don't want to like put it, and I'm lazy. Then I leave it aside. I use it like twice a week, and then I go for my gel, which is, you know, you get a hip, thigh, arms gel. There is a tummy gel also. I'm clicking here. You can check it out. It has 5 stars right here. And yeah, this is also a great product. Now this gets absorbed really fast, so I am like traveling and I'm in a rush and I don't want that oil feel, but I want my skin to be firm and toned, my body to look good and, you know, be maintained. Then this is the product that you can use on the run, which is the VLCC Shape Up Gel. Now I'll show you how this works. See, just massage it. Massage is really important, guys. Ask me questions, ask me anything that, and it's all, see, it's gone. There is no oil, no grease, nothing. It's like water. This product is like literally like water. It gets absorbed in your, you know, and it actually gives you that firmness that you need. So this is again one of my go-to product, which is the gel form. I love it. It has 5 stars. So guys, always, you know, check out the rating on Amazon. I think it is really important for you to decide which vendor to buy from, and read about it, read the reviews, read the stars, see what people's experiences have been. That's how I do it, and I would recommend all you guys to do it. So saying hi again, it is again Pranita Pandit on Amazon Live, and today I am featuring some amazing body care products that I personally use and love and have made a huge difference in my life. So, and to my skin, see, it's gone. So guys, this is the VLCC Shape Up Hips, Thighs and Arms Gel. So for a massage, you can use the oil, and when you are like in a rush and you're ready to go and you don't want to, kind of just have that oil feel, go for the massage. In fact, even in combination, it works really, really well, because there are a lot of times twice a week that I use it in combination. So I have had great results, and I can actually see the cellulite disappear. So this is a product that I would recommend. It has great reviews on Amazon, and like a lot of people said here, it's a good product to go to. The fourth product that I'm going to be talking about is a very basic product. ये literally ऐसा product है जो when I was born ना, तब से मैं इस प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जानती हूँ. तो इसमें मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा रिसर्च करने की ज़रूरत नहीं थी. बट देयर वाज अ टाइम, when like I said, I'm a skincare junkie. So I have used so many products. In fact, if you guys have any questions about some other products, we can take it up in my next live. But this product is a no-brainer. But it is always in my body care list, and I think it's prime. And I'm going to click on that product, and you will know which product I'm talking about. It's actually Boroline. It is magical. Like for my 2-year-old daughter, when she gets hurt, when there's a scar, when there's a bruise, anything, her first thing is, Mama, Boroline laga do. So that is how much I use Boroline in my house. And I think, it is a go-to product, क्योंकि ये इतना basic है. And I think सबको रखना चाहिए for chapped lips, for cuts, for bruises, for that thick moisturizing feel that you need. I think Boroline is fabulous. It's a no-brainer. मतलब हम सब बचपन से इस प्रोडक्ट को यूज़ कर रहे हैं, and that is why I put it in my cart. क्योंकि मैं सिर्फ वो प्रोडक्ट्स नहीं फीचर करना चाहती जो who are above a bracket or low. So there is no price range that I cater to. Whatever I love, I am going to share with you guys, and I'm going to show you. And that is the best part about this live, that we can have it like have this entire interactive session. So Boroline it is. See this, it's still the same, अब बल्कि ये different packaging में भी मिलने लग गया है. You can get like a box of Boroline as well, and a tube. But I somehow, because इसमें of course थोड़ा सा wastage हो जाता है, so a lot of people prefer the box, but I think this is just more convenient for me to put it in my bag. But this is my go-to product. Like if I'm feeling like chapped lips or dry patch or hurt or anything, it caters to all. So yeah, Boroline it is, guys. It's the same. सबसे amazing बात इस चीज़ की that it has the same smell, it has the same feel, and it gets me those childhood memories. And I personally kind of love Boroline. So yeah, this is my fourth product, and it's again Pranita Pandit saying hi to all you viewers who've just added and who've just joined this live. And today we are talking about body care products. And yes, I am sure you guys are a little intrigued about my makeup as well, so please be tuned. Not today, but in our later lives, I'm going to be giving you some makeup hacks and makeup products and all of that. So we are going to have a lot of fun together. And I'm already loving this entire 1 hour session that I have with you guys, and featuring products and talking about all the things I love. have always been that go-to person to all my friends कि आजकल कौन सा क्रीम लगा रही है person. So yeah, this is one product that I love, and which is very basic, which you can just immediately add to your cart, is a Boroline. I think it's a must have. A lot of people have forgotten about it, but I don't think it's a product that should be forgotten about. It is Boroline. Let's move ahead. Now that we're talking about childhood and old creams and how they have always made that space in your heart, and jitne bhi expensive creams try kar lo, you always want to go back to basic, and have that relatability, and you know the product. That product again, which I had really had to look for, and where did I find it? I found it on Amazon, guys. So this is this cream, which is Charmis. Look at that. And ये इतना बड़ा बॉक्स में आप देख ही सकते हैं कि कितना यूज प्रोडक्ट है ये. एंड I use it. I still love it. Actually, this is another product that I have been using since childhood. And beach mein again, I forgot about it. And suddenly I met a friend, and she's like, I'll tell you a secret. I said, kya? And she's like, I use Charmis. I'm like, are you serious? Like it has been years that, mom used to apply it. And I remember it, in her wardrobe space Thomas cream, and I think it's again a very very good body care product. You know, you can apply it on your face, you can apply it on your body, and this gives you a glow. So let me show you this. This is Thomas for you, and see, like, this is how my skin looks now. It has a slight glow because I've put some products and I'll just wipe it off, but let me put it here. So पता नहीं क्या है कि ऐसी क्रीम है ना जिसको लगाने के बाद आपकी स्किन शाइन करती है फॉर सम रीजन, एंड यू कैन सी दैट, यू नो, इट हैज दैट लिटिल sheen and shine to it, and of course it gives that deep moisturizing that you need. And I don't think that this should yes, you do get a glow actually. A glow in $200. You see the reviews say it. Somebody just asked me, can we get a glow? Yes, like you do get a glowing skin after putting Charmis, and it is so affordable. And you might be thinking that, you know, you're an actor and आप it's hard expensive, आप Charmis थोड़ी लगाते होगे. मैं Charmis लगाती हूँ. It is the truth. So you see there are 1,363 reviews. It is on a 30% off right now on Amazon. In the market, you'll get it for $270. And here you can buy it for $190, and I prefer the big bottle because sometimes I apply it all over my body, and when I want that deep moisturization and I'm traveling and I don't want to carry maybe a big bottle of Aveeno with me, this is another product that I would recommend. Though it is a little more greasier than Aveeno, like Aveeno gets sucked into your skin, this will just feel like it's there. So yeah, that is the reason I use it occasionally, but I still use it. I still love it. It does give you that glow that you've just asked me about. It's a go-to thing. So you can add it to your body care list, and, you know, use it and let me know how you feel. I'm super sure that you guys are gonna love it. So yes, it's again Pranita Pandit, and I'm on Amazon Live, and we are talking about body care products today. So let's move ahead into some luxury. So can you imagine, I can actually take you from a $190 product to something which is 3,500. You know, I want to break this barrier कि luxury products हम Amazon से नहीं order करते, because, you know, a lot of times it took me a lot of time to trust कि, you know, ये सही होगा, ये authentic होगा या genuine होगा. Why should I buy, you know, something which is so expensive from Amazon, and, you know, I should just buy the basic stuff. Guys, that's not true. There are ways to figure out, you know, how that product is, you know, verified, how many reviews, again, how many, you know, stars it has. Read. There are a lot of genuine sellers out there. Sometimes the company itself sells, you know, directly on Amazon, so you don't have to worry about the authenticity. Plus, understand one thing, that most of the products that you order, always see if it's refundable, or, you know, you can, you know, return it. Sometimes, you know, if you feel the packaging is not proper, or, you know, you have that doubt, you can always return it, and the money comes back to you in like 4 hours. Like Amazon pay, you know, you can just get your refund in 4 hours. So there is no, like, you know, a hitch or that thought that, oh my god, I'm investing so much, and if I don't like it, and, you know, if it's not proper, how will I return it? Guys, you will get your money back. Why can we not order this? This is one of my favorite luxury, you know, shower gels. Like, just see the consistency. It's like oil. It is the almond oil shower rinser. So like I told you guys that, you know, here I click on this, check it out. It is amazing. It has a great smell. It's like, because soap makes my skin really dry, so I am very particular on what I, you know, put on my body, and this is my daily shower gel / oil. It just doesn't dry out my skin. It makes it like hydrated and nice and supple, and I just feel like, did I even put a shower gel? So it's like, you know, that good, and you feel clean. You feel that mild fragrance that it has. It is an amazing product. Like, you can see 223 people have bought it already from Amazon, and they have loved it. So it has a 4.5 stars, which is right in front of you. I have clicked on that product. Go check it out, and I am sure if you want to pamper yourself and you want to, you know, order something nice and feel good. This can also be like once a week kind of product, like not on a regular basis because it's expensive. Even though the bottle is so big, it lasts really really long. So this is L'Occitane's almond shower oil. So I love it. Let's move ahead. Guys, ask me questions. I am waiting. I'm answering to all you guys, and in fact, keep joining in. And let's get into those details and all of that. Hi, Ravindra. Hello. And here I am on Amazon Live, and I'm talking about body care products. So, any questions about the products that I've featured, you can go through the list and you can ask me those questions. So, let's move ahead. Now that we were talking about shower gels, let's go to. So, yesterday, you guys saw me talking about Snail White. Yes. And today, I have Snail White again. So this is a Thailand brand, and I actually discovered this brand when I was traveling to Bangkok and Koh Phangan, and I picked it up and I love it. Ma'am, please recommend for freshly fragrance. I am just going to give you, post this is the next product that I'm going to do, is what you have asked, Ravindra. And this is again a soap which is really really good. It's really mild. It works really well for dry skin. It gives you a smoother texture, and it is one of the best soaps that I've used. So there are times when I don't want to use, I couldn't have got a fresh like used soap. So this is how it looks. It's really milky, it's really creamy, and it is an amazing product to have in your bathroom. So this is one soap that I recommend. It is on a 25% off, and it's still expensive, but highly recommended. For dry skin, for allergy prone skin, somebody who requires, who wants to feel that freshness and that smoothness in the skin, this is the thing. It's not very high on fragrance because it's hypoallergenic, but Snail White is a good brand to go to. Now, Ravindra, I'm sure you're with us even now, and you just asked me about freshly fragrant shower gel. So there is something that I have here, and I am going to show you that. Hi, Amish. I can see your comment. So let me click on the product so you can check it out. This is Sova. Guys, it's a natural brand, and it doesn't have any chemicals, and trust me, it's not very expensive, and it has an amazing fragrance. So there are a lot of people who don't want to use chemicals on their body, and I completely respect that. So it's for those people. And there are days when I also want to create a balance, because of course a lot of us don't have one product that we use on our body. I have like 5 shower gels to play with. Sometimes I'm in a mood for chamomile, so I go for that. Sometimes I'm in a mood for that almond oil feel, I go for that. So we keep changing, and especially women and men. Thank you, Ravindra, for asking me that question. I love it. And this is, see, you can see it's already used. Hello from Kesar. Hi, Kesar. Thank you for joining in. You guys are seeing me live on Amazon Live, and I'm talking about body care products today. So this is a product that I personally have used. I've loved. It has no chemicals, no reaction. It has that foam that you want in a shower gel, and it has that freshness that you just asked for. So yes, if you're looking for a chemical-free product which is verified, it is Sova. You can see there are 5 stars there, right here. There are people who've reviewed it. Plus, I got this for 525 bucks, whereas it is for actually 750. So on Amazon, you get a better deal. So if you buy from their website and you get it on a full price, you buy from Amazon, you get a 25, or actually it's 30% cheaper on Amazon. So yes, you can actually, buy it from Amazon and not worry about authenticity, because you can see the stars there. People have already bought it, and you can go ahead and check it out. So this is the product. It has a very nice fragrance. It has a fragrance of chamomile, and it has very flowery fragrance. So it'll really freshen up your mood, and sometimes you want that spike after the shower. So this is it. Thank you, Ravindra. I'm glad you kind of liked my recommendation. Go check it out and let me know in the other live also. We can talk about this one. There's no problem there, if you like it or not. So we were talking about creams. Creams and soaps we've catered to. I will come back to it, but I want to talk about this. This product is off the hook, Not a lot of people must have, told you about it, but you can see there it has 2058 reviews and it has 4 stars and has worked wonderfully on my skin. It is the Luxaderma foot peeling mask. So I never ever thought that I will love a product so much, but this is one of those products that I am truly, truly in love with. Especially, when I am traveling and, I don't have the time to go for a pedicure, but I like my feet soft and supple. Guys, if I do a live, showing you the process of this, you will love it. It is that good. So basically it's like a socks. I can't like open it right now and wear it and show you, but I will give you the whole experience verbally, and I hope you understand it and like it. So basically you take it out, it is like a socks, it has a jelly kind of thing inside, and you wear it on your feet and you just tie it up. You just tie up this product, leave it on your feet for 20 to 30 minutes max. It's You do not require to leave it more than that, and then you take it out and you just wash your feet, okay, and then you forget about it, and then you see the magic happen. Like, your skin starts peeling, okay? So don't freak out, don't feel that there's something wrong with your feet. It's actually the new skin that is coming in, and you can see that proper जो softness होती है ना, वो cracked heels disappear because the skin will come out in front of you. You can actually peel off the skin. So of course 3-4 days, you will be a little listening, ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे face के feet के, ये peel बाहर निकल रहे हैं. So sometimes if I really want a huge makeover for my feet, this is what I go to. So I always have one of these with me. If you go for a pedicure, you are not paying less than 500 to 700 in a good place for a pedicure, but this gives you results better than a pedicure can ever give you results, because this actually peels off your skin and lets your that softer side of your feet and your AD basically become clean. तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा product है, and it is one of my favorites, so I had to share it with you guys. So here I've clicked, it's available on Amazon, it is on a 7% discount, and it has been verified by 2058 people, so including me. So so yeah, this is a product that I love, and I have used it a lot and enjoyed using it. तो हमेशा एक पाउच हमेशा मेरे बैग में रहता है, like मतलब in my beauty bag or in my beauty closet. I always keep it because this product is that quick fix product, and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let me know about that. Come on, let's get more interactive. I'm just like, hi guys, I'm Pranita Pandit and I'm on Amazon Live, and I'm talking about body care products today. So yes, and we have been going on for some time, and I think I need some sort of freshness in my space and some good fragrance. So let's go ahead and let me feature this product for you, which is a Pure Sands fresh body mist. It actually makes you feel fresh. So this is a body mist. I am not a huge fan of perfumes because my skin is sensitive, and I like using things that give me that constant freshness instead of just having a constant one kind of smell which is fading away in my body. So this is one of my favorite products. Again, it's my go-to product. In fact, I have just ordered Pure Sense Kahi body mist, which is the macadamia one, and this one is refreshing body mist. This has that vitamin C kind of orangish flavor. So I wanted to have 2 of these. So one I'm currently using, and this one I'm going to unbox it in front of you guys, which is a soothing body mist from Pure Sands, and it is a rejuvenating one. Even this one is, and it set my mood for the next half an hour that I'm going to be talking to you guys, and it's nice. It's really nice. It has no chemicals. You can spray it like 20 times in a day and you can feel that freshness. It stays. It has that little oily texture, like you can see the shine. So it sticks to your body, and there are no chemicals, so you don't have to worry about am I putting a lot of chemicals on your body? Plus, sometimes, when you're using perfume, it leaves those marks on your clothes, which I personally hate. So I just use it here and those points, and I leave it. I never put perfume on my clothes, but this is something wherever the hell you want, you can put it, and nothing is going to happen to your clothes, and you can just roam around with that freshness. So let's unbox my new one. So this is the one that, yeah, here I featured it. I had kept this ready because I was like, I have opened it before, right? So I know that it is a task to open it. So, dang, dang. I love this part also of our live where, there's unboxing happening. We're talking about products and, it's so much fun. There you go. The packaging, it's a very good gift also, guys, to give somebody. Honestly, like, I'd love it if somebody gave me a body mist and आपको बहुत ज़्यादा spend नहीं करना and you want to gift a perfume or something to do with fragrance, because सबको पसंद आती है fragrances. It's you don't think it's a guy or a girl or something, and you kind of just pure sense. Oh, let's open this and see. Usually I just go straight to the product. I just thought I'd show it to you guys. This switch is better for you, for the planet, in so many ways. Yeah, see, we get more like information on this once you read these little things. I've been using it. It's recyclable. It has lesser carbon emission, made in India, light, durable, shatterproof, and you can purchase it on Amazon because you get a better deal on Amazon all the time. So yeah, it looks the same and it's nice. So I have that fruity smell right now. I don't know. Let me just smell this and tell you guys how it is. Okay, this has a very different smell. This has that macadamia smell which is there, and that has a very fruity, fresh smell. So that has that little, how do I say it? It's that oily kind of smell that you have. It's also very nice. Yeah, it's nice once it goes in. Actually, I like this better. It is very, very mild and it is really nice. Wow. So I have also discovered a new product. So I want to play safe with you guys. I'm not going to tell you about products that I've not used. So the unboxing that we are doing is just because, it's fun to do and you can ask me more questions. And guys, I want to see the chat going on. Come on, don't do this. So yeah, so this one is my current using, and I've opened this one and I'm going to be using it too. So I love it. It's a body mist. It's soothing. It's 100% natural, so you don't have to worry about what you're putting on your body, and it is so well packaged. Even if you send it to hi Rocky Vandakar, I don't know if I said it right, but yeah, you said it, so I said it. Okay, then let me talk about, we have spoken. Okay, there is another product which is of Pure Sense, and I have really freaked out on all their products because I actually discovered it at a store in Kaya. So I was checking out products and I saw this brand there, and ever since I picked up the first product from there, and then ever since I've been ordering it online through Amazon because I always get a better deal. Why now? Damn. Okay. So I always get a better deal on Amazon, so I prefer using it and ordering it from Amazon. So this is another Pure Sense product, which is like a chotuja product. See this? It's a UV protective lip balm. Here I have clicked on it. This is the product. So yeah, this is how it looks. So this is another flavor that I had ordered, and macadamia is the one that I just added to your list, and you can just check it out. And this is how it looks. See, I feel a lip balm is very important and it should have UV protection. So I like it. I don't want my lips black. I like it pink. So you can apply it on top of your lipstick also. It gives you that instant hydration. It is a part of my body care list, and I think people think lipsticks are the thing, but for me, lip balms are also huge. Like, I really feel lip balm is a must. In fact, in my coming lives, I'm going to be talking about this brand and this product range, which are actually 3-in-1 product. So it's one product and 3 uses, and there are lots of different shade and colors that you can go with, and I will be doing that live. So Stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of fun together. Hi, guys. I'm Pranita Pandit, and today I am reviewing body care products and sharing things that I have bought and are part of my body care regime. So, here I am, and this is the product that I have loved is my Pure Sense lip balm. It has UV protection. It can be applied on top of a lipstick. I just applied in front of you guys and showed it to you guys. Does nothing to your lipstick. It's just still there. See? And it is really good actually. Very funny streaming, really? You think I'm funny? Maybe. I like it. I like it. So yeah. This is a lip balm from Pure Sense, which I personally recommend. I like it. Has UV protection. It is really, really hydrating. And it can be applied on bare lips, and also it can be applied on top of your lipstick just to feel that hydration. This is a product that I recommend. Okay guys, so let's answer some more questions here and there and see what's happening now. See, when we talk about body care, let me tell you about one. Hi guys, so when we are talking about body care, let me tell you, this is not a good product. Oh, this is a good product. Like, according to me, I've used it. I'm using it. It's here. So yeah, let me talk about a body care product which people don't take very seriously, and they should, is a sunscreen. A sunscreen is not only for your face, it is also for your body. And this is the one which has the highest protection. It is Avne. Right now I'm in Goa, so it's super hot, and the sun is harsh. I think in most parts of India it is. And they always say that you should take a higher SPF. So this has 50 SPF, and it's Avne. It's a known brand. It is really good. It also gives you a glow. So a lot of times when you don't want to wear makeup, you just do your skincare regime and you just put this on your body and on your face. And the best part is that it's a spray. It lasts really long. See, so it's just a spray, and you just kind of apply it all over your body, and you just see that glow. Can you see that glow coming in? Yeah, it's glowing. My skin is glowing. It gives you that glow on your skin. So after all your moisturizing, scrubbing, oiling, all of that, you just have to put a sunscreen. And this is like really good to use. And this is, you can see here, there are 275 people who have reviewed this particular product. I have been using it for years now. Actually, my dermat had recommended it to me, my dermatologist herself. So that's how I kind of started using it, and she said it's a great it's absolutely safe for our skin. It's a sunscreen. Sunscreen is a must, not only for your body, but for your face. It is a must. It is not dangerous. If you go to any skin doctor in the world, like I've been to plenty, and that's how I have so much knowledge, they will always tell you that do your skincare steps and apply sunscreen. And मैंने तो वेट बहुत मुश्किल से कम किया है. Everyone knows that I'm a new mom, and it's amazing. So we'll talk about that. So yeah, a sunscreen. This is my go-to product right now on Amazon. You're getting it for 16% less than the market. So if you buy it from a chemist or something, which you will get, you'll get it a little more expensive. And it's a reviewed product. It has 4.5 stars. So there is no harm in buying it from Amazon. And I have bought it from Amazon. I've got something which is absolutely original, and it's perfect. Like I said, if you don't like any product, you can always return it. Their return policy is super simple. I have tried it a lot of times, and it works really well. You don't have to be worried about your money coming back or no. It comes back in 4 hours on your Amazon Pay. It takes like 3 to 4 days अगर आपको card में चाहिए तो. Now coming back to, somebody had asked me a question on me losing weight. So let me go back to my products that I had shown and tell you that I have used to lose weight these products, which is the VLCC Shape Up Oil and the gel. So of course you have to not eat to lose weight, and you have to diet, and you have to work out, but there are some products that actually help you maintain, and this is one of those. So I just thought I'll answer your question, Beena. And sunscreens are not dangerous for your body, so please don't even ask these questions. You can actually ask these questions. Just clear up all your doubts if you have any. I'm here sitting in front of you to answer it. So there is another product which is very old school, and I use it sometimes, and I thought I should put it in my body care list. Is this talcum powder. So you will be like, mother care ka kya talcum powder? Why so? Because I got reintroduced with this particular product after I had my daughter, and I was using powder for her, and I was like, oh, मैं तो भूल गई when I used to use a powder, because it had been ages since I used a powder, and now I'm kind of in love with it. So this is sunscreen. No, guys. Sunscreen is the most important product to use. Please don't even listen to all these things. It's not true. You can ask your dermatologist and people. So this is the powder. Actually, why I like it is because it's really mild, and I'm going to tell you about this hack also that you can use with powder is to set your makeup. I have used it. Okay, so thoda sa powder leke, just kind of, if you're feeling that you have oily skin and you're out and you're sweating and all of that, just take some and you can apply it. It's not going to make your face white. So I applied it on my face and body, and this is the one from Mothercare. I just want to play safe, so I like this powder because I know that this is like the mildest, powder that is there available, and I love it. It's from Mothercare. If you can use it on a baby, you can of course use it on your body as well. So this is for you. This is a talcum powder that you can also add to your body care list, and order it. It has been reviewed 46 times on this particular link, and it is on a 5% off as well. So it works really well, and it can be put in your cart. So hi guys, I'm Praneeta Pandit, and we're almost reaching the end of our this beautiful live session of body care products, and a lot of you might have missed some chunks. Please go back, have a look at it, see the products that I have added to my cart, and check them out. And yeah, let me know, and we can chat about it. If there is any questions that you have, you can always ask me, and I will answer those questions right away. So any product that I think I have missed, let me just check out. Yes, I'm sure I have. Yes, there is something that I have missed, is a body oil. So there you go. This is again macadamia's deep body oil. I use it sometimes for my massage. When I don't want that fragrance of the VLCC oil, I can switch to another oil. Again, it's absolutely safe. It's really nice, and it has a very nice oily texture. And I am clearly in love with it, and I recommend it. It is there available. It is on a 5% discount, and it does do a good job. So you want me to open it and check it out? Let's do that. So this is really nice. Let's see this. Come on guys, I want some kind of people to write some good stuff. Ask me some questions, and it's going to be fun. I'm already having a lot of fun, so I don't care. And let me show you this particular body oil, and look at that. This is the body oil. See, you can actually see the petals of, not exactly petals, the macadamia seed ke jo covering hai, you can actually see it here. It's the Pure Sense one. It's really nice. And this is on a 67% discount here. When I actually bought it, it was not on discount, and right now it's showing on discount. I'm feeling bad. It is for $7.95. I think I must have paid, yeah. And right now you're getting it for $2.63. I think this is a steal. Just go add it to your cart and buy it. Like, it's a really nice body oil. The fragrance is really nice. I have actually used the whole range of this macadamia one because I like this whole moisture thing, and it's really nice. So it comes out like a spray, and that's it. It is really nice. The texture is nice. I have used it, so I'm just showing it to you guys. So it's nice oily. It's amazing for massage. So you can, like, really check it out, order it. This is, I think, by far the best discount that I've got for you guys on this particular product. It is on a 67% off. It has been verified by 133 number of people, and it has lots of star ratings, so you know that this is a good product. And I like the brand as well, and I've used it personally. So there you go, Pure Sense. I think I've kept the best for the last, and I can see so many people joining it. But it is time for me to end this Amazon live, and I am super grateful for my lovely audience who were there and interacting with me. Thank you so much. I had a great time, and today I was on Amazon live with all the body care products that I have personally used and loved. You want, we can do a little run through because I can see so many people adding in right now. I would just don't want to kind of leave and get away and run away. So let me just do a quick run through for all you guys. What are the products that I have featured on this? You can still check them out. Daily Essential Aveeno Moisturizer. Here it is. This is the one that I have reviewed. You can check it out, see the rating, see the discount. This is on subscription for me. So then we go to the second. We go for the oil, slimming oil. This is the one I have reviewed and I have spoken about a lot. It has a lot of reviews. This is the third one. I'm doing a quick one because I can see numbers going up, so I just don't want people to miss out. This is the gel. Absorbs really fast. Use it with the oil. You can use it separately as well for cellulite, basically for your body. Another amazing product is my Boroline. I love it. Everyone knows about it. We all have used it as kids. It's a go-to product. You can keep it in your bag all the time for chapped lips, for cuts, bruises, anything. We go to a Charmis, just a regular moisturizing cream. I love it. It's there. Luxury bath oil. So this is for you. That's there. That's a nice soap, Snail White. I recommend it for dry skin, for people who have hypoallergenic skin. You can do that. Oh, I've missed out on the Body Shop, strawberry and British Rose, which I have personally used. I love it. It is like, has a little shine, and yeah, strawberry, and these are my two best flavors on body butter. I have used boxes of body butter during my pregnancy to prevent scars or to prevent stretch marks. It worked for me, but a lot of people say that stretch marks are hereditary, but yeah, it did work for me. So yeah, this is how it is. It's really nice. I love the fragrance. So I love Body Shop. So it is on a discount of 20%, and the British Rose is actually on a discount of 40%, so you can check it out. Perfect. Then we move ahead to the oil, which is this. I just spoke about maximum discount, good reviews. You can check it out. Then we go about our peel off foot mask. This is the one. I've told you about it. This is your mother care powder. This is for sunscreen for your body. I would recommend it. This is a really nice natural Sova shower gel that I recommend. And a nice lip balm, which is UV protection. So great, guys. It was so much fun. Hi Sachin. Hi Sumit. I know a lot of people are questioning and talking and discussing things here, so it's nice. Any questions, I would love to answer. So waiting for my next live with all of you, and let me tell you what I'm going to be talking about next. So in this live you can see my hair tied, but in the next live we're going to be talking about hair care. So first I would like to cover up all the face, body and hair care products, and then we kind of proceed towards makeup and makeup hacks and products that I love. So it was a lovely live with all you guys. Lots of love from my side. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you day after, which is on the 29th at 12 p.m. again. And yes, lots of love. Hope this helped, and see you guys soon. Cheers. This is me signing out, Pranita Pandit. Bye. बहुत बोल लिया भाई.